Do you know you can make money from Bitcoin and other coins without making any investment? If you want to know how you can do this, please make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end, and please make sure you do not skip any step. If you do, you might get things confused. Now let's get down to business. Please do make sure you subscribe to the channel and also turn on this notification bell. The first step is to come to this website here, binance.com. If you come to their referral program, you see where it says invite friends and crypto together. Okay, if I zoom this in, you can see here it says earn up to 40% commission every time your friends make a trade on Binance. Okay, so if you can invite somebody on this platform and the person trades on Binance, you're gonna make about 40% commission. Okay, so this is very, very interesting. Up to 40% commission. This could translate into thousands of dollars, okay, depending on who you're bringing in. I was watching a video on YouTube and somebody claimed he invested over $24,000 buying an altcoin. Okay, you can imagine if the person signed up on Binance, for instance, using your referral link, you would be making about 40% of that investment. Okay, so this is one way to make money on cryptos, on different coins without any investment. Okay, if you do what I want to show in this video properly, you could rake in a lot of money. If you're ready, let's continue. So you can see you can make about 40% commission. I want to show you another platform also that you can make about 40% commission on your referrals tradings. Now, if you come over to this platform here is another crypto platform. This is Remitano.com. Okay, if we kind of like go down here, okay, you can see it says somewhere here. Okay, yeah, it says here get 40% commissions immediately when your friends sign up and buys coins through your referral link. Okay, you should kind of like go down here. It says, okay, additionally, when your friends refer others to trade on Remitano, you will earn another 10% commissions. So you can see you're earning 40% in commissions from your referrals, and from their referrals, okay, you're gonna earn 10% commissions from their tradings. So you can see this is a very lucrative business. If you kind of like go down here, you see the leaderboard. You can see somebody is ranking number 1 here, and this person has made over 27,000 USDT, and the second person here has also made over 25,000 USDT. And as you can see here also, the third person has made over $24,000 in USDT. Okay guys, so you see basically this is pretty much lucrative. Okay, if you understand what these guys are doing, you might say, okay, so how did these guys do it? Just from referrals. Okay, they didn't buy any Bitcoin, they didn't trade, basically referring people, and somebody has made over 27,000 USDT. Okay, so basically what I want to do in this video is to show you how these guys have been able to make this amount of money, what I think they are doing, and I'm doing it also, and I'm making some cool cash on some crypto exchanges. Okay, so let's move on to the next step, so I'll show you what to do. So basically what those guys are doing is they have written articles, and the articles are ranking on the first page of Google. Okay, so thousands of people are visiting whatever keyword they are targeting, and that's how they get a lot of people reading the articles and signing up on those platforms. So basically what I want to show you in this video is how you can do the same thing. So if you come to a site like Uber Suggest, so you go to Google and search Uber Suggest. Uber Suggest is a platform, is a website that helps you have insight as to what keyword you should rank for, the competition on the keyword, and a lot of stuff. It gives a lot of insight, okay, and helps you with ranking on Google. Okay, so if I come to this platform here and type Bitcoin, okay, and just to remind you, if you're using the free version of this software, you can only do 3 searches in a day. Okay, of course they have a pro version. Okay, if you want to use their pro version, you can also do that. Okay, so but if you want to go with their 7 days free trial, you can click here and start their 7-day free trial. This tool is very important. Okay, So let's kind of like, let me show you what's happening here. If you come here, if I search where is it, Bitcoin, okay, and then if we come down here, these are my results. You can see Bitcoin price. It tells you the volume here. Volume means the number of people searching Bitcoin price in a month. Okay, this is 2.7 million people searching Bitcoin. Imagine you have an article on Google, okay, and you're targeting this keyword Bitcoin price, okay, and you have about 2.7 million people searching this in a month. You can have 100,000 people visiting your article. That's if your article ranks on the first page of Google and you get like about 100,000 people reading your article in every month. You have a high chance of converting most of those people to take whatever action you want them to take on the content of your article. Okay, so you see, this is basically how people make money on Google, okay, without investing anything. Okay, this is just one way people make a lot of money. If you can understand this process and start implementing it, is a good business strategy that could help you a lot. Okay, so if we kind of like go down, it keeps giving you insight. Okay, here it says volume, that's the search volume. This is the cost per click. Okay, a lot of people are running ads on this keyword. To tell you how serious is this, some people write articles on these keywords like Bitcoin miner, okay, which has a search volume of over 90,000 and a cost per click. This CPC here means cost per click of $1.77. Okay, and one other thing you need to look at here is this where it says SEO difficulty. Now, if this number is closer to 100, it means it will be very difficult for you to rank. Okay, when the number is smaller, it means you can rank. It's easier for you to rank. Okay, so let's kind of like try another keyword. Okay, in fact, let's use the title of this video you are watching. Now, if I come over here and search how to make money from Bitcoin, which is actually the title of this video, how to make money from Bitcoin, and then you kind of like go down here, you're gonna see another set of results. Now, but what I want you to notice here now is that the search volume has reduced. Okay, so how to make money from Bitcoin has a search volume of about 2,400 people per month. Okay, and the SEO difficulty is 17, as against the previous one I showed you that was about 60. So it's a lot easier to rank for this keyword than the previous one I showed you. Okay, so if you kind of like keep going down, you see that you can see this one here is 13. Okay, you can see this one is 13, which means it's easier to rank for this keyword. What's the keyword? Can you make money from Bitcoin? Easier to rank for this keyword than it is to rank for this one, or let's say this one here that says 19. So basically that's how this thing goes. You can go down here, okay. If you go with their 7-day free trial, you have more access to a lot of stuff on this software. Okay, but you actually do not need to do that. This free plan is enough for you to achieve what I want to show you. Okay, so now let's say we're going for this keyword, which is where's that keyword again? Yeah, this keyword. Let's say we're going for this keyword, how to make money from Bitcoin. Okay, so we're going for that keyword. Now the next thing to do is to go to Google and search this keyword so that you see the people that are ranking for this keyword. Okay, so let's do that very quickly. Now on Google, I can see how to make money from Bitcoin. You can see a lot of people already here. We have ads here already. This is an ad. Okay, and this one says make money trading Bitcoin, which is not an exact keyword, okay, for what we want to rank for, which means it is still possible for us to rank this. And an ad also, make money trading Bitcoins. Okay, this one says how to make money with Bitcoin. Okay, this one is close, very close. Okay, you can see but this is not an ad. You can see this person is ranking here, so I can tell you that this person has close to 2,000 views, has a larger percentage of that number of views I showed you earlier. Okay, because his article is ranking here. Okay, if we kind of go down, we see a lot of people that are kind of ranking here, guys. So you can see a lot of people are ranking here, and something is interesting to show you here. Videos also show up. Okay, so which means if you have a YouTube channel and you target that, you could also rank on Google for that keyword if you do it properly, guys. So basically what we're doing, you can see all these are ads. Okay, so basically what we want to do is to rank on this page. Okay, what we want to do is to rank on this page. Let's kind of like go back to, where is this, pass full. This guy is close to the keyword we're looking for. Let's kind of like click this to see what's happening. Okay, so we are in here. This person says 15 practical ways to make money with Bitcoin in 2021. This is his article, and we kind of like go down here. You can see all the stuff this person has written here. Okay, wow, this person has written quite a lot here. Okay, now the strategy here is to see if you can outrank this person. If you can't outrank him, make sure you rank on the first page. And one way you can do this is to make sure you write a content that is more in words than this. Okay, so what you're going to do is to come here, you select all, where it says select, copy everything. Okay, so we select everything here on this website, and then you come to a website like wordcounter.net. okay, wordcounter.net, and then here you're gonna paste that article here. If you paste it here, this is gonna tell you how many words, okay, that are in that article. Okay, so what you're going to do is to write an article that is gonna be like ×2 of the volume of words in that article. Okay, so that's one way to outrank that article. Another way to outrank that article is to make sure you use pictures. You come back to this article, you can see this person has pictures. You can see we have pictures. He has a video. Now this is another strategy. This is how to also rank on Google. Okay, so you use pictures, you make sure you use video, put some video in your content. He has a video there that's going to help him outrank more than somebody who doesn't have a video. This is another video. Okay, so you can go to YouTube and get a video that is kind of like supporting what you're talking about, what you want to rank for. For example, we're ranking for the keyword how to make money from Bitcoin. You can use my video, or you look for some other video that best suits what you want to do, and then you put it in the article. Okay, make sure you write more than this person has written. Okay, and then also use pictures to demonstrate what you are talking about. And then after this, the next thing that is going to determine if you are going to rank above this guy or probably rank below is the domain authority. Okay, so you check his domain authority, okay, to find out what his domain authority or his URL rating is. Okay, and one way to do this is to go to a site like so if you come to Google and search Ahref backlink checker, okay, and then kind of like click this one here down here, and then it brings you to ahrefs.com/backlink checker. Okay, this is the link to check, and then you come over here and paste the link to the article we just saw. Let's go back to the article. Okay, so this was the article. If we copy this link and come back to this backlink checker and paste it here, okay, and click check backlinks, click I'm not a robot. So it's going to give us insight as to how many backlinks and the domain authority, the domain rating. You can see now that website, the URL for that article has a domain rating of 79. It has a URL rating of 40. It has over 518 backlinks. 31% of them are do follow. It has referring domains 231, and 55% of them are do follow also. Now you can see basically why that guy is ranking on that position, about 518. So if you kind of like go down here, you're gonna get a lot of details regarding those backlinks. Okay, so you have a lot of details regarding those backlinks. Now what you are going to do, like I told you earlier on, if you are going to try to come close to this guy, okay, or even outrank him, is to use medium.com as your host for your article. Okay, you don't need to have a website to do this. Okay, you can just use Medium. Medium has more backlinks and a higher domain authority than this website. So one way to outrank this guy is to use Medium. So you're gonna go to medium.com. You can see medium.com. If you copy this link and check it on that same Ahrefs, you're going to confirm what I'm telling you. It has more backlinks, it has a higher domain rating. Okay, so what you're going to do is you create an account with this platform, because you have to create an account here before you be able to do anything. Once you've created an account, what you're going to do is like you see my logo here, you click that logo there. Okay, you click that logo, you're gonna see where it says write a story. So you click write a story. So you click write a story, it's gonna bring you a page that looks like this. So this is where you are going to start writing. Okay, so you're gonna write how to make money from Bitcoin. Okay, so you write an article that is gonna be ×2 the number of words that are in the article from the other website I just showed you. Make sure you write more articles, put pictures, and also you can also embed a video here. Once you're finished writing your articles, the next thing is to do is to hit publish, and your article will be live. Okay, now your article will stand a higher chance of ranking on Google. So now what is going to happen is that the keyword we're targeting, which is how to make money from Bitcoin, which has over 2,400 people searching it every month, you're gonna get a higher percentage of that search. Okay, let's say you get about 500 people visiting your article which you have written here on Medium. If 500 people visit that article every month, okay, you could get like 10 people signing up, okay, each month. And you can imagine how many people you're going to get over time. Okay, now imagine one of your referrals invest a lot of money on one of these platforms. You stand a chance of making a lot of money. So this is what these guys are doing. In fact, most of those guys that are raking in those money, some of them are using this method. That's basically what they're doing to make those kind of money. Okay, you might say, okay, why not sharing my referral link on Facebook groups, sharing on Twitter, Instagram? See, all those methods are cool, but you're not gonna get results like what I'm showing you. You can also share on Facebook. They are good methods, but this is how you're gonna get guaranteed signups if you do it correctly, if you are able to rank. This is basically a kind of like an insight to how to do this. Okay, so this is how you do this. Once you've written your article here, then you hit this publish button, and your article is gonna go live. Okay, so that's how you're gonna do it. And what you're gonna do is make sure that you sign up on those platforms. For example, on Binance, you make sure you sign up on Binance and get your referral link. On the other platform I showed you, you sign up there and get your referral link. So in your article here, you're gonna make sure that you link to those platforms, so that somebody reading your article how to make money from Bitcoin is going to see that link and possibly click that link, and then the link is going to redirect the person to Binance or redirect the person to Remitano or whatever other platform you want to use. Okay, and that's how you're going to get a ton of traffic to your referral links, and that's how you're going to get a lot of referrals, and that's how you're going to start making money over time. Now, this thing is not going to start making you money the moment you just do it, because it takes some time for an article to rank on Google. Okay, so after a while, if your article ranks, that's it. So this thing is not what you try and stop. You look for keywords. It might not be the keyword I've just used. Look for a keyword that you think. Follow the research process I've showed you, and you can also do more research on this by watching a lot of videos on YouTube that are going to help you do this. Okay, and then you get a clear insight on how to do this, and then you can have an article ranking on Google. And once your article is ranking on Google, you will get guaranteed signups, guys. So this is how this works, guys. So this is it for today's video. If you have any question regarding what I've shown you in this video, make sure you leave those questions in the comment section below this video. I'll be more than willing to answer or to give you feedback. So if you love this content, why not share this with your friends? Leave me a positive comment, or if you have any criticism, constructive criticism, why not leave them in the video? Okay, and make sure you also subscribe to the channel, because we leave a lot of quality information driven content like this. Okay, it's your guy Ken, is Brigxel Bees signing out.